Finally, Dashami came and marked the end of Durga Puja. Wait, it's not that simple. You will know. So it is 2020 and there is a pandemic, and during the pandemic Durga Puja, oh no. So we had issued some rules in our pandal, being a very small neighborhood and being a closed Durga Puja. So the rules were very simple. Everyone has to wear mask, have to use the sanitizer, and no one can get out of the neighborhood, at least during the puja days. For this puja only, we had actually bought dhak, dhol, kasha, ghanta that was mechanically driven. It was fabulous. So you can see here in the picture the whole process. So to avoid any contact, we actually installed sanitizer dispenser. There was sanitizer sprayer, automatic sanitizer, which we will be talking about its failures. The sanitizer dispensing machine is actually a device which will dispense sanitizer or give sanitizer touchlessly. So what you need to do is that you need to scan your hand and then place the hand under the Buddha's hand. So once the light sensor under the Buddha's hand detects that your hand is placed underneath by reflection of light, then it will give you the sanitizer. Another problem is that the valve system actually sometimes malfunction, and the pumping power depends on the viscosity of the liquid. It may be gel type of sanitizer or it may be liquid type of sanitizer. So depending on the type of sanitizer, more pumping power varies. If the sanitizer is gel type, more pumping power is needed. If the sanitizer is alcohol based, purely ethanol, less pumping power is needed. Another problem is that the pipe actually gets twisted, and because the pipe gets twisted, sometimes people don't get the sanitizer. That is a problem which we face because the ethanol actually softens the pipe wall. Because during the daytime there is huge amount of sunlight, the light sensor underneath the Buddha's hand gets saturated. Hence, after getting activated by the ultrasonic sensor, the Buddha's hand gives sanitizer automatically whether the hand is placed underneath or not. The problem with sanitizer machine is that you need to place hand at the right angle because it works on sound waves. Ultrasonic waves are emitted. Time of flight is calculated. Time of flight means when the ultrasonic emitter emits the ultrasonic sound, it reflects back from the hand or the fabric and how much time it takes to return back. Problem with ultrasonic sound is that it gets perfectly reflected when there is a hard surface but gets absorbed when there is fabric. So ultimately Ashtami came and it means half of the Durga Puja is over. Then Navami was there, and every day we had great foods to eat, but it was all closely packed and sanitized. So we took all the precautions. Finally Dashami came and there was Bhashan, or we say goodbye to goddess Durga. It is also called Bishorjon in Bengali. And this is a day, Dashami is a day which when we all get a little bit sad. But it tells us like whatever we have created will be destroyed one day. So nothing is permanent. But the thing which we can do is hope. Hope for Durga Puja to come next year. This is my friends. After Bishorjon, we are returning to our para to have sweets, and that's all.